Welcome to today's webinar on workers' compensation and return to work program. In this session, we'll explore well-structured return to work program benefits for both employer and employees, focusing on how they help injured workers transition back into their roles while maintaining productivity and minimizing costs. But before we do that, just a few quick notes. This webinar will be recorded, and the recording will be available on CITI program's website. This webinar is for educational purposes only. It is not designed to provide legal advice or legal guidance. You should consult your organization's attorney if you have questions or concerns about the relevant laws and regulations that will be discussed in this webinar. In addition, the views expressed in this webinar are solely those of the presenter. This presentation will provide a comprehensive overview of workers' compensation and return to work programs. By the end of the session, participants will be able to understand the fundamental components of workers' compensation, implement an effective return to work strategies, learn how to develop and implement a successful return to work program, including early intervention and modified work duties. Discern federal regulations, become familiar with key federal laws such as the Americans with Disability Act, or ADA, the Family Medical Leave Act, or FMLA, that impact the return to work programs. Foster a supportive workplace culture by learning how to create one that encourages employees' well-being and facilitates a smooth return to work process. By gaining a solid understanding of these key components, participants will be empowered to contribute to the success of their organization's workers' compensation and return to work program. A well-structured return to work program is a strategic investment for any organization. It benefits injured employees and offers significant advantages to the organization. A robust return to work program ensures compliance with federal, state laws such as ADA, American Disability Act, what to discuss, ask how they're feeling, offer support, and provide information on workers' compensation. Well-structured hiring process can significantly reduce the risk of workplace injuries. By carefully considering the applicant's skills, abilities, and physical limitations, employers can ensure the individuals are placed in the role that matches their capability. It is essential to conduct thorough job analysis to identify the essential functions of each position. This information can be used to screen applicants, conduct interviews, and make informed hiring decisions. Make sure to follow us on LinkedIn, Facebook, and X for new up-and-coming webinars and new courses. Subscribe to us on the YouTube channel for demo snippets of past webinars. Speaking about subscribing, I would like to also invite you to subscribe to our podcast, On Campus with CITI Programs, on Tech Ethics, and on Research. Please also consider subscribing to our weekly newsletter. I invite you to review our content offering regularly, as we are continuing updating new courses and webinars in various areas of research, ethics, compliance, and professional development throughout the year. In particular, you may be interested in our Safe Research Environment course, as well as some of our other EHS courses, such as laboratory safety. And that concludes our webinar. Have a great day.